How to remove contacts from Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove contacts from Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to remove your contacts from Telegram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Telegram application here. And once you launch the Telegram app, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is to simply make sure to tap the three lines option here. And when you go to the contacts tab here, you can be able to see a list of people from your contacts list on Telegram. But you don't want this to be the case. You want to completely remove contacts from Telegram. So for that, tap the three lines option again, and then this time go to settings. From here on, if you scroll down over here, you'll find privacy and security. So tap on it. When you go to privacy and security, here you'll find the option called delete sync contacts. But before you do that, turn off this toggle that says sync contacts, because even if you delete it, if you turn this on, it will sync it again. So make sure to turn this off, and now delete the existing sync contacts by tapping the delete option here. And now that we have deleted our sync contacts, let me show you. If I now tap the three lines option and now I go to contacts, those contacts will no longer show up over here. This way you can remove contacts from Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.